Have you heard of selection sort? Well, come on, let's learn some Java. With selection sort, we find the smallest value in the list and we swap it into its correct position. Then we look for the next smallest, and so on and so forth until the array is sorted. So we'll start with index 0 being the minimum value. It has the value 7. That's compared with 3, which is smaller, and so now 3 is the minimum value, which is compared with 9, and then 1, and 1 is the minimum value, and then that's compared with 5, and 1 remains the minimum value. It gets swapped with the value at index 0, and so our array has the values 1, 3, 9, 7, and 5. Then we start at index 1 and we look for the next smallest value. Index 1 has the value 3. That's compared with 9, then with 7, and then with 5. 3 is the smallest next value, so it remains in the position that it's already in. We go to index 2 and 9 is the minimum value. It's compared with 7, so 7 is the minimum value, which is compared with 5, and 5 becomes the minimum value and is swapped with 9. Then we look at index 3, which has the value 7. 7 is declared the minimum value. It's compared with 9. It's still the minimum value. It's already in the correct position, and so no swaps are made. We don't have to worry about the value at index 4. It's already in the correct position. Now don't forget to like and follow, and check out the links in our description.